Hello everyone, it's great to see you again. In today's video, we're going to fix the issue where you can't select an equipment nozzle to modify in Plant 3D and the equipment create and modify dialog boxes won't pop up. Let's go through the solution step by step. First, make sure you have the right graphics card for Autodesk products. You can find the link to the certified graphics cards in the video description below. Also, check that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Here's how to check if your graphics card is the problem. Open the drawing file where you're having trouble. Type graphics config in the command line and press enter. In the graphics settings window, turn off hardware acceleration by moving the slider. Check if the problem is fixed. If not, don't worry. Let's move on. Close all AutoCAD applications. In Windows File Explorer, type %temp% in the path bar and press enter. Delete everything you can in that folder. Ignore the rest. Now go to the AutoCAD Plant 3D folder and open the PLNT 3D subfolder. Double-click on PNP local data cache purger.exe and click Purge. Check if the problem is resolved. If not, keep going. Type GRIPS in the command line and press enter. Change the value from 0 to 2 and hit enter. Check if this fixes the issue. If not, we'll try something else. Type GRIPSUBOBJMODE in the command line and hit enter. When asked, type 0 or off and press enter. Check if the problem is resolved. If not, let's continue. Type purge in the command line and press enter. Type R or select regapps from the list. When asked, choose no to skip verifying each name. Check again if the issue is fixed. If not, let's move on to the next step. If you still can't select an equipment nozzle to modify, this might be because the equipment is corrupted. Don't worry, we will help you to fix it. To fix corrupted equipment, the best solution is often to recreate or reconvert the equipment. Here's how. Delete the corrupted equipment from your drawing. Recreate it or convert it to a new version of the equipment. This should fix any issues with the nozzle or other parts. To prevent losing your work again, consider saving your equipment as a template. This way, you'll always have a copy of the last working version. To do this, after you've recreated or fixed your equipment, save it as a template. This template will be ready to use in future projects, so you don't have to start from scratch again. Try resetting AutoCAD Plant 3D to its default settings. You can find our video on how to do that by clicking the I button above. If this doesn't help, we'll go to the next step. If none of the steps worked, your AutoCAD Plant 3D installation might be corrupted. In that case, reinstall it, and that's it. You should now be able to select and modify equipment nozzles, and the equipment create and modify dialog boxes should open without issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.